Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a company that you can partner up with and make anywhere from $50 to $300 or more per day. So you're going to want to stick around and see this because I've got a bonus coming up for you toward the end of this video too. So you want to stick around for the whole video, and I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Okay guys, welcome back to the video here. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator YouTube channel that you're on right now. And if this is your first time here to my videos, and or you've been here before and you still haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and reach down there right now while I'm talking about it and you're thinking about it, and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on the channel. Because I'm always trying to bring out ways to help you make money online and bring more time and financial freedom into your lives more and more with each money-making video that I post. Okay? Alright, well let's go ahead and get started in onto this. And we're going to come over here to my Brave browser. That's right guys, I've switched. I'm testing a new browser out from Opera, which I normally use, and I still use Chrome, but I'm testing out a Brave browser now. It's called Brave. It's so far I like it pretty well. I've been testing it for the last couple of days and I'm impressed with it. But nevertheless, you want to come over here to this site right here. It's called Respondent. If you look up here in the address bar, it's respondent.io. And this site, what they do is that companies can come here and do market research on their products and services, and they will hire people such as yourselves to answer their questions and have a little chat with them, and they'd like to know how you like their products and or their services, and based on your responses you can help them improve their products and services and their business to the public as well. So public responses are what they're after here on this site, and they do pay handsomely, and which I will show you here in just a little bit. So if we scroll on down here, you can see they create business-to-business or consumer research products and start recruiting your target audience, and then pay for interviews you conduct. And then if we come on down here and we look right here, some of the things that they do product research, refine your product with feedback from both current and prospective users, exploratory research, test the viability of your ideas quickly and find inspiration for new products, competitive analysis, talk to users of competitive products and hone in on what makes your product unique, and business research, consumer research, leverage our top-notch response for a wide variety of consumer research products. I'm getting tongue-tied here. And persona research, build customer personas with live conversations, not guesswork. And it talks about how these companies can come here and how it works for them, target the audience you want to conduct research with and choose how much you want to pay them, and review people who have applied and then invite and schedule those who think are best fit for it, and conduct video calls, phone calls, in-person discussions, or online research. It's up to you. And then pay the research participants, and then maintain a list of the particular research participants that they like, and then some of the pricing and stuff down here for different companies that come and choose to use this site. And you can see here some of the more popular companies that use this company called Respondent is Intercom, Oracle, Dropbox, IBM, Intuit, Microsoft. All of these you probably know. Airbnb, GoDaddy, Square, SendGrid, all those are pretty popularly known, and they have quite a few more on this link right here. What we want to know is how we can make some money with this, right? What you want to do is at this site, you want to come up at the top here and you want to click on where it says Respondent right here. Respondents. Click on that. That brings us over here and it says get paid to help cutting-edge projects come to life. Respondent is the best place to leverage your professional expertise for paid research interviews. And it's easy enough just to click on sign up right there, and it says our research are looking for business professionals of all kinds, and you can see they want software developers, they're looking for marketers, they're looking for executives, enterprise software users, business owners, and sales and support. So I imagine that probably everybody that's watching this video sort of fits into one of these categories in one way or another, right? That you can help this company, and they'll pay you pretty handsomely, which I'm about to show you here in just a second here. Alright, and it says how it works. You verify your profile, get matched, participate, and get paid. And they will pay you automatically right after your interview or your research project with the particular company, right to PayPal. So you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account. If you don't, it's free to create one. Just go to paypal.com, click on sign up, and sign up for a personal account is all you need, and it's free to do that. Just make sure that you use the same email address that you use on PayPal. I'd use it for the same thing here on this site as well, so that you keep everything congruent across the board. You can do is just click on sign up right here, and or any of the sign up buttons on that site. You can sign up either with your Facebook account, or if you have a LinkedIn account, you can use that as well, or you can have a local account right here on this site just by entering in your email address, which I mentioned before. Make sure you use the same one that you sign up with PayPal on that. Then what you could do, now here's where I'm going to show you how much money that you can make working with this particular company here. If we click on Browse Projects up here above my head, and that brings us over here, and it loads up, and you can choose either in person or remote over here in the column on the left. Doesn't make any difference. You can look down here, and if you look, these are some of the particular things that they're looking for. Right here, they're seeking for men to talk about shaving and oral hygiene routines. Join us virtually on May the 12th, which is coming up here in about a week, and they're going to pay you $100 for a 60-minute, you see it right here, for a 60-minute chat, guys, about your shaving and oral hygiene routine. Pretty easy, it looks like. $100 on that one. And then they're looking for network managers to talk with them about IT and networking. That's $125. Commercial property inspectors, if you're into real estate and you're a real estate inspector, you would make $150 for this particular chat right here. And then looking to have a quick Skype chat with anybody that sells Sephora beauty products, and you can get $125 for that chat. And guys, it just goes on and on and on down through here. It says, are you helping your children to buy a home? It said, we'd love to get your opinion on our new mortgage product. That's a 30-minute chat, one-on-one, and they'll pay $30 for that one. And then here's seeking machine learning professionals to give feedback on designs for a leading cloud platform. So if you're a software programmer and you're good at that kind of thing, well, you can get involved with this one right here. It's an hour and a half, 90-minute long chat, and they're going to pay you $300 for that. See that? And then there's all kinds of more down through here. Seeking home sellers. If you're selling your house, you can get paid $50 to talk with these people about selling your home. And then all kinds. It just goes on and on and on. Seeking smartwatch and fitness tracker users. If you guys use one of those little Fitbit things that you wear on your wrist or anything like that, and you've got experience with that, they want to talk to you for about an hour and a half, and they're going to pay you $175. Generation marketers, I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Guys, I mean, they got so much work here, so many things that you can help them with, and down here it says load more, and it just keeps going on and on and on. Looking for mothers of children younger than 18 months for a paid online interview, and they're going to pay $70 for that, for a 90-minute chat there. Seeking South African barbers. If you're in, that tells me that this is available worldwide. Okay, so and it's free to do. It's free to sign up. It doesn't cost anything to sign up and work with this company. And so they want South African barbers for a paid interview. It's going to last for 1 hour, and they're going to pay you $70 for that. So as you can see, guys, without going down through here with too many more of these, you can make quite a bit of money with this particular company right here, being a respondent and or research participant in with this company and helping other companies get better with their products and services and be paid quite handsomely. Okay, just make sure you have your PayPal account when you come over and take action on this. Now, a little bit ago I told you about a bonus. If we come all the way to the bottom of this particular site and you look right here, it says refer friends right here. So you see they have a affiliate program here on this particular website. So you can not only make money by being a respondent, but you can also make money by referring your friends and colleagues to paid research studies. You can sign up and refer friends in paid studies and share your referral link and get paid. It says our average referral bonus is $50 and it's paid to you straight to PayPal. So there you go, guys. That's 2 ways to make money on this one website, and you can make quite a lot of money just being a respondent alone, let alone the affiliate or refer a friend program here. Alrighty, guys, well, that's what I had for you today. Just a short, quick video how you can get involved with this company right here called Respondent and make quite a lot of money being a research participant. Alrighty, guys, don't forget, if you like this video and got the power out of this, give me a thumbs up down there. Also, reach down there and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified. And also, if you want to start your own online business and get that set up and running, then you want to reach down there at the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com. Alrighty, come on over and check that out. And guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you in a couple of days or so here on the next exciting video. You guys have an awesome day. Bye-bye now.